Hey, it's Simon here. How are you? We are going to learn Willin by Little Feat today. Super cool acoustic riff at the beginning and the chords and everything you need to know about it, including dynamic strumming. So let's kick it straight off. We're going to start off with our index finger here on 10 and our pinky on 12 on the B string, and the two strings in the middle are open. Now our strumming pattern is going to be bass, down. Now those really are the two main strums in the song, right? So you get that 1, 2, and then the others are kind of just filler. So it's not like you're playing 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you need to kind of go 1, 2, and make the others just a little bit quieter. Okay, so you're going to get 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. All right, so that's a G. Then we're going to slide it down. This is kind of D with an F sharp bass, but we're going to call it D with an F sharp bass. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Same thing, 2, 3, and 4, and. This here is an E minor 7, 1, 2, 3, and. Now, on the 4 here, we're going to hit a D, which is 7 and 5. So far we've had 10 and 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the 4 there. And then we're going to come down to C, 3 and 5 on the same strings. If you've learnt Blackbird by the Beatles, then you'll recognize some of these chords. If you want to check out that lesson, you can go just there, one of those sides. After you've learnt this, of course. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to play a G major. Now, I'm going to play it this way round. You'll see why in a second. You play the same strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to play a C. Move that up to hit kind of a D at 11, and then back to C. So you're going to get that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right? So those are the accents that you're going to need to hit in this section. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Then the verse starts and it's exactly the same. Right, now we're going to talk about those dynamics. So you can hear that you like. So what really you've got to focus on is making your wrist as loose as possible. I always have my fingers out. It just allows you to get a little bit closer to the guitar, right? So here with my wrist, you know. Right? Always with the pick, just try and make sure that you're not holding too much of it. You don't want to be holding that much of it, you know. I've got little grips on my picks that kind of helps you to decide where you're going to grip it, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and... Okay. All right, so that is the intro and the verse. Then we're going to hit the chorus and we play C, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and, right? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Same strumming pattern, so C, D twice, G. Okay, right, then we're going to do this little bit where we slide up. So you get G, A minor, G over B. Right, so G, A minor, just with your third finger away is A minor 7. Move your second finger across, put your pinky, and then into C. So that chorus so far is C, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, G. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and back into 4. 3 bars of this. And then 2 beats of C, 1, 2, and and then into D. Okay, and that's kind of the end of the chorus, all right? So you're going to get that whole chorus: C, D, D, G. G, A minor 7, G over B, C, 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the whole band stops and they follow the singer. Now, it's a bit like, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just follow the singer. It's kind of slows down and speeds up like a ritorno. Impress your friends at dinner parties. So you're slowing down and then returning to the original tempo. That's what it means. So 1, 2, 3. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. A bit like that. Okay, then D. Then G. And then and 2 bars of G after the bit that we had in the intro. And then you just loop around and that's the whole song. So let's play along together. We're going to hit it. We're going to play 1 intro, then 2 of these for the verse, then the chorus, and so on and so forth. If you want the chart, you can get that at Patreon. 2, 3, 4, 1. One more time. Chorus. Bar of C. D. D. G. Then G, A. Those are C. Half a bar. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, G. That's the end of the song. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Do subscribe. Bye for now.